Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the remote drain pump in your ice machine, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply to the appliance. Have an assistant help you to move the appliance away from the wall or cabinet. Using a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver, unthread all of the screws to release the lower rear access panel. Release the clamps securing the 3 hoses to the drain pump. Pull the hoses free. Disconnect the ice machine power cord from the pump. Now unthread the 2 mounting screws securing the pump to the base. Lift the assembly up and out. Unthread the screw to release the power cord retainer to fully remove the old pump. Install the new remote drain pump by first securing the power cord with the retainer. Position the pump assembly on the base and thread the mounting screws. Connect the ice machine power cord to the pump. Attach the hoses to the appropriate ports and secure with the clamps. Reinstall the access panel. Move the appliance back into place. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your ice machine should be ready for use.